Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Dakota County, Scott County, until 4 a.m. At 3:28 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jordan, or 23 miles northwest of Northfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elko New Market around 3:40 a.m. Prior Lake around 3:45 a.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Burnsville, Savage, and Lakeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Weather Radio Station.